Hello, welcome to MadeByKM. I am Kaushik. In this video, I will show you how to make root tabs for planted aquariums. Root tabs are water-soluble tablets or capsules that contain plant fertilizer. Root tabs are highly beneficial for aquarium plants such as Amazon swords, cryptocorynes, carpeting plants, bulb plants, etc. that mainly take nutrients from the substrate by their roots. Although a planted aquarium is set up using a nutrient-rich substrate, the nutrients are absorbed by the plants and depleted from the substrate over time. This is why root tabs are needed for proper and healthy growth of root-feeder aquarium plants later on. Also, if you use an inert substrate like aquarium gravel or sand that does not contain any nutrients of its own, you can use root tabs to feed your plants. Now let's see how these root tabs can be made. I am using these empty gelatin capsules to make these root tabs. Such empty vegetarian capsules are also available. Now I can easily make root tabs by filling these capsules with plant fertilizers as per my requirement. These can be filled with organic compost or a variety of slow-release organic plant fertilizers. After filling these with fertilizers, close the capsules and insert them deep into the substrate near the roots of the plants with a tweezers or using your fingers. Since these capsules dissolve in water, these should be inserted into the substrate as quickly as possible. According to the density of the plants in the aquarium, place one tab every 4 to 6 inches across the substrate. In case of heavy root feeder aquarium plants such as the Amazon sword plant, multiple root tabs may be required depending on the size of the plant to provide adequate nutrients. Depending on the type of fertilizer being used, these root tabs will continue to provide essential macro and micronutrients to the plants for 1 to several months. So these need to be reused accordingly. I will give some product links in the video description. You can check them out once. And if you find this video informative, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.